Oh, hello everyone. Today we will be talking about how to import and export data onto the view attendees list. First, we want to go to people, followed by view attendees. Next, we want to click on the edit button on the top right, followed by clicking on import on the left. Next, we want to download the demo file. Once the demo file has been uploaded, you will want to click on it and open it. Here is an example of a demo file where it is empty and it asks for name, usernames, emails, passwords, and roles. Here are two examples of completed information and an incompleted information that could be uploaded onto the platform. Do note that the bare minimum that you need to fill in is the name and the username of attendees. Once this is done, press save onto this Excel sheet and go back to the platform. Next, click on the green File button and open the file and press Add. Next, you will want to refresh the page and you will see the two information that you have just entered. Do note that the incompleted information has no tick marks or any information available to them, such as email or the company or the role. We can also click on the names of the person while not in edit mode to go down and to check out what information has been entered, such as the plain text and the company and the itinerary and logistics and the summary that we have filled out in the Excel sheet right here. For instance, here's the summary and here's the message, which appears here and here. So this concludes our importing function on the attendees list. Next, we will talk about the exporting function. In order to export the information, first we want to click on edit mode and then followed by clicking on export and clicking on download in the blue bar that just appeared on top. You will be sent to the downloading center afterwards, where we will want to click on the download file button on the newly popped up information. Then we can open it and we will see the information that was exported from our website. This concludes our lesson on importing and exporting data onto the platform.